let you not have any misunderstanding. Between the time I can share with you some things and between the time I shall not be in a position to be among you is getting closer. Therefore, today is a very special day. It is the day of the Akal Takht. So there is certain information which I like to share with you. And I hope you bear in mind, you carry on the tradition with me and you carry on the tradition without me. That's the Khalsa way. You didn't sing that alone. It was in English. You understand it. If you don't, you have to understand it. We have left with no choice. One man turns to lions. We have no choice but to live as the Khalsa of the Guru, or we can die as a Khalsa of the Guru. We have no choice. We can't go back and become what we were. I'm not saying many have not. Because there is always going to be fight between a destiny and fate. So long the man will have the strength of the soul, one shall walk to the path of the destiny. The day destiny shall betray you, fate will take the toll. And then there's no return. That's how it is happening, will happen, or will be happening in the past, should be happening in the past. There's no way out. And Akal Takht shall not be completed now, restored back to its glory, if we do not take this Shabad which we have sang, Narayan Shabad, and we all not participate to the full glory of it. This is a Shabad by Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Pratakhar, personified God, who stood the test of fire, came out totally pure. That entitled Guru Har Gobind to construct Akal Takht. Akal Takht didn't get constructed because somebody had the brick and the paste and the mortar and sat down and built it up. No. And I did hear the story that Brahma came and Vishnu came and Shiva came and Narayan came and they built Akal Takht. I hear because I have 2 ears, I can't shut that up. But I tell you, what built the Akal Takht? Let me tell you in my way. I'm not saying it's the right thing to say, but I'm willing to take the blame if it is wrong. I say, God took a human body in the form of Arjan Mall, who rose to the position or the purity to become Guru Arjan Dev. Man became Guru. The light got bestowed and lived. This light of light, creative light of the millions and trillions and zillions suns, sat on a human red fire of hot plight and purified itself, entitling his own given birth of Guru Har Gobind and giving him the position to entitle to build Akal Takht.